Can you go from startup idea to launching a solid product in one day? Hey, my name is Christian. I'm a CEO and founder of multiple startups, been working with startups and building products for the last 10 years. And I wanted to try something new. I always fall into the trap of building products for myself when you really need to do it for the users. And there's a learning cycle there, like finding the right users, confirming your hypothesis and everything. But now, all of a sudden, building products have become a commodity with these great frameworks that are out there, with Cursor, with all the AI tools we have. It's super easy to build a business. So we just need to find real problems and not just solve problems for ourselves. So I thought, how about I solve you guys' problems? And you'll get lifetime access for free to whatever problem I'm solving. So you can get the tools of your dreams for free. And you can even see how to build tools yourself. And I've called this project fixyourproblem.co.com wasn't available, but I thought that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to solve all your problems or fix all your problems. Just upload something and I'll solve it. So the first product I'm going to make is our logo and branding and landing page for fixyourproblem.co. Okay, so I got chat to make the prompts. So let's try to copy that and move it over to Figma and see what it comes up with. Oh yeah, always exciting. I really like Figma for so many reasons. Like the science that comes out of this is really good, and I don't only just play around with Cursor to build up the backend, maybe polish some things, and then we should have something ready. I'm gonna go grab a coffee while it thinks. Here we go. I build startups to fix real problems. Yeah, that's what I do. Submit your problem, how it works. I build in real time. Everyone benefits. Yeah. Oh, that doesn't look like me, but sure. I am innovative and driven. Sure. Bingity bang. What happens here? That's perfect. I hope you guys will send me a lot of ideas and we can get going on this. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this design. I think it solves the problem. Hopefully you guys will be able to give me some more great problems to solve, but this one, basically we need a landing page where you guys can sign up. So usually this process will take a lot of time, but the next step is to get from design to a live website. That's pretty easy now too with Cursor. So I'm just going to go over to the code tab here, download this, here we go, boom, and we open up Cursor. Okay, here we go. I've loaded up the Figma code in Cursor, and we can just say, I just ask it, is anything missing? And it will analyze. For a project, I would definitely recommend using a framework like the BMAT method, but this is so simple. So let's just see if we just can freestyle it in Cursor. It's a low-risk project, and I know usually it would probably take a week or something to get it done, maybe quicker if you used a template that you would buy, but now it should take 5-10 minutes and we should have everything ready to go and be live, and you guys can start submitting your problems. Okay. I actually prefer to use Opus for the AI model. You can see we're using Chat or GPT-5, but for a project like this, I'm not gonna pay for the more expensive model. So let's just see. I have a meeting in 10 minutes, but hopefully we'll be done before that. Let's just see. I'll grab some more coffee. Sure, let's go. Good. Everything ready? But we need some sort of mail service to make sure the form submission is up to best practice standards. Yeah, I have a feeling that it wouldn't think about that. But again, if you, usually I would recommend going a bit slower and really planning out the process before you go live, but it's a landing page, it's low risk. I'm not gonna build something big. I don't care if it's spaghetti code, I don't care if it's a bit messy. I want to make sure that the database security is okay, and I want to make sure that it's functional, but that's about it. So here we go. This looks good. Yeah, just let the AI do its thing. So now the code is about done, and we need to set everything up with GitHub and git ignore. The AI suggested we use Vercel for hosting, so I'll just let it do its thing. I also asked it to create a to-do list. I like that approach where I check off the to-do items one by one. So that's how we are doing. Okay, yep. Let's get that up there. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the domain. Bum, bum, bum. Cool, I need to create an account. For the database, I'm gonna go ahead and create a super base. I think that should be sufficient here. And I'm just gonna follow the instructions from Cursor. Okay, so everything is now working and live, and I got the website, I set everything up, and I just asked the AI friend to omit in their QA and make sure they close all weak points and security gaps. Good. Okay, perfect. Now we're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Today's product was just the landing page, and we made it rather quick. If you have ideas for products you want to build and perhaps co-found with me, I just got that idea during the process that if it turns out to be a really nice product, I am gonna need somebody to build the businesses with, and who better than the ones who submitted the ideas. But if you have ideas for things you want to have built or that you want to become a co-founder in, then submit them on this website, fixyourproblem.co, or write it in the comments, and I will choose a product to start building tomorrow.